Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be learning how to do this Christmas socks. For this I'll be taking 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter square sheet of paper and I'll be folding down here approximately 1 centimeter. Turn the paper and fold into half. Turn the paper and roll it one more time and make a crease. Turn the paper and fold it into half. Bring two sides to the center crease as we fold it in cupboard base. Now you can see two flaps here. Turn the paper where you can see a pocket like this. Lift the flap and fold it upwards along with the pre-creasing. Make a diagonal fold starting from this corner by aligning the flap to the center crease. And half the way crease will be enough. The same thing is done for the other side as well. Crease half the way. Now the pre-creasing is done. You can open the flap and collapse the model as shown. Here you can see a pocket, so just open the pocket and then tuck in the other flap so that you can create a pouch over here. On the corners, just fold small triangles down as shown. This is the pre-creasing. Now you open the flaps and do the inside reverse fold. You can decorate the socks with motifs like Christmas trees, snowflakes, bells, etc. If you want to learn more Christmas origami crafts, please visit my page. The links are given below in the description box. Please do visit. You can use these Christmas socks to keep the toffees. Origami Christmas socks are done. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.